5 most deadliest plants. 5. Water hemlock. A tall plant with umbrella-shaped clusters of small white flowers, resembling Queen Anne's lace, contains cicutoxin, a potent neurotoxin concentrated in its roots. Just a small bite of the root causes violent convulsions, abdominal pain, vomiting, and can lead to death by respiratory failure. Often mistaken for edible plants like wild carrots, it is one of the most poisonous plants in North America. 4. Manchineel tree. A seemingly harmless tree with green leaves and small, apple-like fruit. The sap contains strong toxins, including phorbol, which causes severe burns and blisters on contact. Eating the fruit, called death apple, causes intense throat pain, vomiting, and potential death. The sap can cause temporary blindness if it gets into the eyes. Considered the most dangerous tree in the world, even standing under it during rain can cause skin burns as the sap washes off the leaves. 3. Castor bean. Large tropical-looking plants with star-shaped leaves and spiked seed pods containing glossy seeds. Contains ricin, one of the most potent toxins known to humans. Ricin blocks the body's protein synthesis, leading to severe abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, organ failure, and death within days. Just one seed can kill a child, and only a few are lethal to adults. Ricin has also been used in bioterrorism. 2. Oleander. A beautiful shrub with pink, red, white, or yellow flowers, commonly used in gardens. Contains cardiac glycosides, which are similar to digitalis used in heart medications. All parts of the plant are highly toxic. Ingesting even small amounts can cause nausea, vomiting, heart problems, and death by cardiac arrest. One of the deadliest plants, with cases of accidental poisoning from burning or consuming its parts. 1. Deadly nightshade. This plant has dark green leaves and bell-shaped purple or green flowers. The berries look like small, shiny black cherries. Contains tropane alkaloids such as atropine, scopolamine, and hyoscyamine. Ingesting even a few berries can cause hallucinations, paralysis, and death by disrupting the nervous system. It was historically used for poison and witchcraft. Highly toxic, especially to children. Just a small amount can be fatal.